I had been having digestive problems. Well, I've had digestive problems pretty much my entire life.
After high school, college, real life catches up with you. I ballooned up to about 270.
I would eat every 3 hours, or else I would just feel like crap because my blood sugar would just drop.
I wasn't sleeping well. I got injured very often. I was sick a lot.
And I just did the bodybuilding diet. I went from 270 to about 230. And then I ballooned back up because it's a hard diet to maintain.
One day a month ago, I just woke up and said, I want to try a ketogenic diet.
I'm always looking for the next step in my athletic performance.
Bob said, hey man, I'm on this thing, it's keto, you should try it. I think you'd actually enjoy it.
The two things that appealed to me most were you don't get hangry anymore and you don't have to control your portions.
I was really high on the amount of energy that I had. I was used to getting a crash around 2 or 3 in the afternoon. That completely stopped. I would just have really steady energy that carried me on throughout the day.
Once I transitioned into ketosis, all my inflammation got decreased tremendously, and I was actually able to perform at a much higher level.
My face is thinner than it's ever been. I'm at my high school weight, which is great. I can get in the weight room and I can still feel strong. And I went to the doctor and my blood numbers were great. They were better than they've ever been in my life.
Being in ketosis, it was just a good night of solid sleep. I was waking up before my alarm was going off and just feeling like, I'm up, I'm ready to go.
Eating a ketogenic diet, you just eat. You get full and then you don't want to eat anymore.
Your body essentially tells you like, I'm good, like I'm full, I don't need anything more.
You follow what Stephanie and Bob are putting out, right? Philosophy, food, exercise, it's a whole system.
Recipes, we have meal plans. I wrote an entire cookbook. This is not only going to be the easiest way to get into ketosis, it's also going to be the healthiest.
Rather than follow what other people might say is best for you, trust your intuition.
So I can't speak highly enough of what these two are doing. I really urge you to give it a try.
So we've removed dairy, removed nuts, seeds, legumes. You're going to be eating pasture-raised meats, wild-caught seafood, delicious organic vegetables, and believe me, you're going to feel better than you have possibly, very probably, in your entire life.
Flow like, yo, ketosis, you don't know this, you better notice.